Welcome back to our series on online safety and digital parenting. I'm Coach Mary, and today we'll focus on setting up parental controls and monitoring your teen's online activity. Parental controls manage your teen's online activities. Most devices have built-in controls to restrict content, set screen time limits, and monitor activity. Filtering software blocks harmful websites. Many internet providers offer settings that filter content. Set filters to block explicit content or limit access during specific hours. Monitoring your teen's online activity is crucial. Check their browsing history, social media, and app usage. Explain that it's to protect them, not invade privacy. Set guidelines about acceptable behavior. Communication is key. Encourage your teen to share online concerns. Build trust so they feel comfortable sharing experiences. For smartphones and tablets, use settings like Apple's Screen Time or Google's Family Link. These tools set limits, restrict apps, and view reports. On gaming consoles, use parental controls to limit playtime and block inappropriate games. For computers, use software like Norton Family or Kaspersky Safe Kids, which control web browsing, app usage, and social media. These programs send alerts and provide reports. Don't forget smart TVs, streaming platforms, and virtual assistants. Use parental controls to restrict mature content. Platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime have kid-friendly profiles. Consider social media monitoring. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok have settings to control posts and contacts. Encourage privacy settings and accepting friends only from real life. Foster open dialogue about online safety. Discuss the risks of interacting with strangers and sharing personal information. Make sure your teen knows they can come to you if they feel uncomfortable. Lead by example. Model good digital behavior by being mindful of your screen time and demonstrating respectful and safe interactions. Remember, monitoring and controls are not substitutes for education. Teach your teen about the internet's risks and responsibilities. Join me in our next episode to explore fostering healthy digital habits. Thanks for tuning in.